In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your reservoir hose on your Ford Focus. It's located on your coolant reservoir and also your radiator. Next, you're going to remove your engine shield under here, as is missing. Remove your 3 in the back, 1, 2, 3 retainers. And then go to your front and remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Using a T30 Torx socket, remove your Torx bit screws. Remove your fasteners underneath. That one's missing. Do the same on the other side. Remove this lower plastic shield. Loosen up your drain plug for your radiator. You can use a flathead screwdriver, maybe a pair of pliers if it doesn't turn. Once it's done draining, you're going to close it down. Next, we're going to remove the radiator hoses. Use needle nose pliers and remove your clamp. Use them again to break it free by twisting it back and forth. Pry off your hose. And remove it. You're going to want to push in on these and pull it out. Take it out of its housing. And over here, we're going to squeeze this and remove it from the reservoir. Put your hose through and underneath all the harnesses. You're going to line it up, get it started, and then get your needle nose pliers ready. I put a little silicone paste on there to help put the hose on. Get your needle nose pliers going, squeeze the clamp. Put the hose on. All right, just make sure your clamp is before the lip at the end of the tube, so you have a good seal. And now we're going to put it in the radiator. You're lining up this flat edge with the flat edge on the radiator. Make sure you click it in and it's secure. Now we're going to feed it through, have it under the hood prop. Snap it into this clip and install it into our coolant reservoir and snap it into place. Make sure that you connect your line into these brackets. And it goes behind the neck for the washer reservoir. Make sure you reconnect your hood popper and anything else that you took off. Install your splash shield. Line up these two holes first, and then work your way around. Start your screws by hand. There's two here. Over under the driver's side. Tighten them up. Do the same on the other side. One goes here, here, and here. There's some push pins that belong around the perimeter. Ours are all missing, so we're gonna have to replace ours. Just do the best you can and put them back. And just follow the perimeter and do the same thing. There is another shield around here that covers up all of this. Just follow your red push pins that are around the perimeter and reattach it. Remove your cap. Set it aside and begin to fill up your coolant. You're going to want to fill this all the way up to the max line. The radiator is going to take in the fluid until it can't anymore, and then you're going to start the vehicle. You're going to let the vehicle run for a while, let it get warm, let that thermostat open up. When it does that, it will burp out some air, suck in the rest of the coolant, fill it up, top it off. Make sure your heat's going as you're doing this, and make sure you have heat. You can shut the vehicle off after, check the level, make sure it's at max. Now we're going to put on the coolant cap. Make sure it clicks closed. Make sure you have your AC system recharged by a professional.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.